Hello, thank you for clicking on this video. Today, we will be assembling an affordable chassis for a rover-type robot with 4 autonomous wheels. Up next, I'll show you the materials included in the kit. The kit includes these 2 acrylic bases. To assemble everything, you'll only need a Phillips screwdriver. These are the 4 wheels, which fit perfectly into each gearbox. Each gearbox comes with its own motor. This is the accessory pack included in the kit, where there are 4 gearboxes with their motor. We have 8 motor mounts. Each motor requires 2 to be attached. We have 4 perforated circles that can serve as encoders for each gearbox. 6 brass standoffs to secure the structure. The set of screws and nuts, at least 8 approximately 30 millimeters long and 12 that are 10 millimeters long. The battery holder and the set of wires for soldering each gearbox, which we will be assembling in the next video. Let's take a closer look at the gearbox. Now we'll place the first motor mounts on one of the main pieces, only the ones that go on the inside. Once they are in place, carefully flip the piece so that the motor mounts stay in position, as shown here. Now, with a motor and another motor mount, we'll place it right next to one of the internal mounts. Using 2 of the long screws and their nuts, we'll secure the motor to the main piece. If you look closely, the external motor mount fits into a groove on the large piece. Now we place the encoder on the inner side of the chassis and do the same with the remaining 3 motors. Now we're going to place the internal standoffs as follows. This is the way I recommend to give you more space on the lower level. You'll need the 6 standoffs and 12 short screws. I want to emphasize that this is my recommendation, but the bases have many holes, so you can place the standoffs wherever you prefer. Once we have a sturdy base, we'll attach the wheels. This is how to assemble a simple robot chassis. I didn't solder the wires to the motors yet because I didn't want them to get in the way during assembly. And that's it. We have a robotic base with 4 independent gearboxes. Thanks for watching. Please comment if there's something specific you'd like to learn. Remember to subscribe, activate the bell, and give us a like. See you next time.